Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to automate invoicing with the Invoice Generator in Clerk. The Clerk Invoices app allows creating invoices manually, line by line, but the best way is to use the Invoice Generator. It uses invoice templates to create multiple invoices for multiple clients with few clicks. It's useful for the case when we need to create recurring invoices from team time logged in Jira or Tempo. When we open the Invoice Generator, we see a list of clients and a list of invoice templates of that clients. We can choose a date range that will be used to import time from Jira. And now all we need to do is to click Generate button. The app goes through all invoice templates one by one and creates invoices. If no work was done for selected dates for some invoice template, it will be skipped. So now we can close the generator and we can see all invoices that are generated by it. We can generate invoices again for the same dates. In this case, the previously generated invoices will be updated, no duplicates will be created. Now let's look how the app creates one invoice from one invoice template. As the input, we have all Jira time that was logged by our team for selected dates. Then the app applies a time filter that defines a scope for a particular client. For example, we have this amount of hours. Then the app uses a team scheme, which does the breakdown of these hours into roles. Each role becomes a separate line in the final invoice. Team scheme does the mapping between employees and roles. For example, it tells that Jane is junior developer and Mike is middle developer. Then the app uses a price list or rate card. It just defines the hourly rate for each role. This way the app calculates the final amounts. And now let's look at how that works in the app. Let's go to the Clerk Invoices settings. Here we can manage all our team roles. Here we have a list of team schemes. Each team scheme defines the mapping between the Jira users or our employees and team roles. And here we have a list of price lists. Each price list just defines the hourly rate for each role. And let's look at the invoice template. Let's open client list and open invoice template of a particular client. Let's edit it. Here we have one time baseline with a time filter that defines the scope for this particular client, and we have a team scheme and price list assigned to this line. And we can create as many time-based lines as we want. We also can create fixed price lines. We can add taxes, discounts and link products to this invoice template. And in most template fields we can use variables that will be replaced by real invoice data when the invoice will be generated. And let's look at the invoice that we have generated from this template. The time is broken down into roles and the rate is taken from the price list. And each line has a detailed time report, which we can customize. And the Invoice Generator creates regular invoices that could be easily edited. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.